How to use NotebookLM for studying. The first step would be to open up the platform, sign into your account. Once you have, go ahead and simply upload your study materials by clicking on Create Notebook. So once you've clicked on this option, you're going to have to provide sources for your studies. It could be either webs, it could be a website, you could have your files uploaded, that is PDFs, lecture notes, textbooks, Google Docs, research articles, even pictures that are taken off of your phone can be sent here. You could also use websites if you're learning off of YouTube or any platform. If you have a Google Drive that contains your files, you could also link that here, or you could paste your copy text here and you can begin studying using those materials. All right, so here's how this works. All you need to do is just click on any of the options and provide a source for NotebookLM to take out information. And then once you have, just go ahead and click on Insert. So I'll be heading into YouTube and I'll find a video. Let's say this one here, copy and head back here. Just go ahead and paste your link and then click on Insert. Now, once you have created your notebook, all you need to do now is simply ask the AI questions. So you could just simply ask it something like, explain this in simple terms and summarize, and then just go ahead and click on Send. Now, you may also have more than one source. You could stack them up. So just click on Send here, and it's going to go ahead and gather the facts and create something for you, something you can easily understand. Now, if you do not still understand the concepts behind what you're studying, you could just simply ask it to explain a bit more, or you could make use of the studio here. There are quizzes you could take, there are flashcards, there are audio overviews that you could simply use to summarize and get better insights during your revisions. And that's it, guys.